Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to show you my new 3-in-1 charging station by Otterbox. I did buy one from the website and I have so much stuff that I was like, well, I just need to declutter everything and just convert it into one place, one station, which this has. So it looks like it has the MagSafe charging on here, along that it can charge my headphones with my watch all in one space. So how cool is that? So it really eliminates all the wires and everything that you have on your table, on your nightstand, and it converts it into one simple station. It comes with a USB 36 watt wall adapter with a 2-meter cable. It has a fast charge station on there, so it gives you that fast charge capability. It has a strong magnet. It wirelessly charges your iPhone and AirPods, and then it has a MagSafe that allows you to use your cases that have MagSafe, and then it has integrated Apple Watch charger too. I'm more of a Mophie guy, and chargers as an Otterbox doesn't really surprise me because they sell so much stuff. And this is huge. Look at this. This is actually a big wall plug-in. I've seen these before. It's a 20-watt one, and these 20-watt ones are like half the size of these. So it's a 36-watt wall plug-in adapter, and so you can keep it like that, charge it up, have it all in one place. Pretty neat. And here's the unit itself. This must be the watch holder. Okay. This one is the charging dock itself. So a nice little piece there. Wireless charging pad for the headphones. Behind it, it gives you the ability, you can see this here, USB-C, and also has a regular USB-A port. And then this right here just snaps back on in the back, I assume. Just like that. This is the 2-meter cable cord for it that will plug in directly to the 36 watt to the actual mount itself. Let's go ahead and plug this in and see what we get. Make sure the cable back here is above the ground, so then that way it doesn't cause anything to happen. So this was supposed to have it charged with like AirPods. So I have some headphones here, which is my Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Let me see if this charges in there. Got the red light. That's good. That means it's charging. So it doesn't have to be just AirPods. It can be the Samsung ones as well. Cool. Now let's go and plug in a phone or have the phone mounted on the MagSafe. So phone right here, put it on there, MagSafe, and it charges. Heck yeah. I also want to really see how the Apple plugin works here, because I have a Samsung watch for my Samsung device, and I want to see if this actually fits in there. Let's see. Oh darn. Looks like it doesn't. So Samsung watch chargers do not fit in there. It is only the Apple Watch chargers that can. So, wham wham. This part takes a 7.5 watt charging capacity to it. This one here will give you that same amount as well. And so if you really want to charge it fast, you can actually use the 36 watt brick and directly charge it to your phone. That will give it a lot of juice, a lot of power. But now we know If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down to this channel below. Show me some love, share it to your friends and family. But until the next time, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.